Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last post, my last video. Welcome back. So today I wanted to show you guys something quickly. We got a new car for my son. Check it out. Alright, this is a 2018 Mazda 3 Sport in that beautiful red. It's low mileage. I'll show you the car. What do you guys think? Yeah, Mazda 3 Sport. This is filmed near my house. Today is what? December 23rd, 2021. Just a few days before the Catholic Christmas, which the United States celebrates. And then of course we have the New Year in a week. So we'll be going to Vermont for Christmas to go skiing, so I'll do a video from there as well, so stay tuned for that. But this is the Mazda 3. That's what the key looks like. Okay. Let me show you inside. It's a 4-cylinder, non-turbo. There you go. Quick video. Thank you for all your recent subscribers. All you guys had signed up recently. Thank you. Stay tuned for more content, and thank you to all of my existing subscribers. A very big thank you guys to you as well. I got more videos planned. That's basically it. This is my neighborhood. I'll show you my house real quick while we're at it. I'll show you the front. How's everybody doing? Getting ready for the new year? In Russia, in Ukraine, United States, getting ready for Christmas. I know the New Year's #1 for us, for Russians, for Ukrainians. And then Christmas, January 7th, our Orthodox Christmas. So this is our front of the house right here. So just in case you guys never knew where I lived, there you go, you can see it. This is Teaneck, New Jersey. I have a fireplace, a wood burning fireplace that we like to use a lot in the winter. Grass is getting really you know, it's getting a little bit more yellowish or grayish in the winter time. It's definitely not that green right now, but okay, this is my neighborhood. What do you guys think? Let me show you the back, since I'm already at it. Let's go. This is the my newly installed private fence. There you go. 6-foot fence. Side of the house right here is the entrance. One garage entrance. There's my skis getting ready for the trip. So there you go. Winter time in New Jersey. Not that cold, no snow yet. It's like +3 right now, +4 maybe. But windy. And there you have it. Okay. Comment down below, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. I typically answer your questions or comments. Alright, so there's the new Mazda again. Mazda 3 for my son. He's not driving it yet because he needs to pass his test, but it's ready for him. The car is ready to do the test and then to get the provisional license to start driving at the age of 17. Alright guys, so we'll see you in a couple days. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Merry Christmas and upcoming New Year. С Новым годом всех!